What's up, guys? Same routine as always. Got the truck loaded up, kayak on the top, and going out for another camping trip. Essentially the same trip as I did just last weekend, but this time I got a buddy coming with me. It's also supposed to be windier and wetter, so that should make things interesting. I gotta go get the other boat and pick up my buddy, and I'll see you when we get down there. Peace! Alright, guys. We have launched. Got a pretty heavy boat this time. I did bring ice for the essentials. And yeah, it's still wavy. It's wavy again. Just trying not to flip this boat and get across this reservoir. Made it to shore. I am absolutely soaked. So we're gonna make this work. Because I am not just damp, I am soaked through. Whoa, all right, we're here, set up, same exact spot that I was at last weekend. Handsome Lake, site number 2. Just letting my stuff dry out. I got soaked, absolutely soaked on the paddle over. But yeah, back at it again. Gonna take it easy. It's almost 2 o'clock. Got a hell of a wind ripping through here. Let's put this fucker. Let's do it. It's already going. One shot. Nope. Ah. Oh. Yes. Big old knot in the middle. Gonna need this bark. We've got fire, baby! I didn't blow myself up this time.
No, I seen the lighter in there. I almost threw it in.
Yep, another lame video. Pretty fun trip though. Highly recommend. We're looking at 5:30. It's eerily calm. Like calm before the storm type of deal. They were calling for rain. Eyes to the sky that way. We might get wet again after I finally fucking dried out. Wish us luck. Camping. Dangerous stuff with fire. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, there it is, lit. We got a beer can filled with denatured alcohol from my stove. Charlie decided to put it on the fire. Let me see what happens. Oh, it's on fire. All right, let's do a tent tester. It's getting late, it's getting dark. Gonna be drinking the last few beers and calling it quits. We'll catch up again in the morning. Alright, another successful night on the reservoir. Stuck the landing. Time to pack up. Till the next trip.